Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this short video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from CVs that are uploaded to your Sharepoint to your Excel file. Now you can use, instead of Excel, you can use any other tool. Excel in this case is just as an I'm using Excel as an example, but the point is I wanted to show you how you can set up a Power Automate to get data from Sharepoint sites. Now the first thing is the trigger. In this case I'm using a trigger called when a file is created or modified. In your case you would need a trigger a little bit different, which is called when a file is created. Okay, that's it. Now, but the setup looks absolutely the same. Second thing is you need to give the full Sharepoint site. So in this case I'm giving this full site. Okay, and then you need to choose a library name. In this case I have a library called Bitskout test where I have loaded some things. And then the next step is to get the file content. So the first step is just getting the file, so-called metadata like file name, file size, where it is, and etc. But we need also the file content, which you will pass to Bitskout to analyze. And in this case we need an extra step called get file content. And here you also choose the full site address, and here you need to choose a variable called full path. Okay, to do that you click, then you see dynamic content, type in the field full path and choose. Do not use any other paths, only full path. Okay, and the next step is to add a Bitskout step, which is called extract data from the CV. It's a direct action, you don't need to create any plugins. And here we just need to specify an expression, and it's very simple. We type base 64 with brackets, and inside the brackets we put the file content from the previous step. Okay, and then the next step is to map the data into Excel. And basically here you choose what data you want where. Excel in this case is just as I'm using Excel as an example. You can use any other tool in this step, whatever you have in your Power Automate. So now everything is ready. So let's run a test. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and just rename this file. Okay. In your cases you're not using modified trigger, you just need to drop the new file into the folder. Okay, so now my flow is running. It will extract the data and the data will appear in the Excel. Okay, so here it is. All right, and this is how you can extract data from, in just 4 steps, extract data from any CV. You can load as many CVs as you want and get the file and remove lots of manual work. Thanks a lot for your time.